I told my grandma I got no riz. She said, you should see a doctor for that.
So, as you've seen this video, if you want to create a video like that, you just watch, which is so cool. You're not gonna believe, but as you know from the title, it's using VEO3, which is the Google Gemini new recently launched big AI feature. So I know you like this video and you want to generate a video like that. I am going to tell you how you can do that in this video. So there are a couple of steps and I'm going to show you properly from the generation of it and from how to generate the script. And I am going to even write and paste the script, which I'm going to show you in the description below. So help yourself, play around with it, and it's so cool. So let me show you the platform first, which is, as you all know, Google Gemini Flow. I'm gonna open that first and show you how it looks. So that this one is the interface, and this is, as you can see, I generated yesterday, but I'm gonna show you properly how to do that. And just to let you know before to start, so it's free in the beginning. All you have to sign up with your Google account, and for the first month you're gonna get free trial. And if you're a student, then you have a plus point, because then you're gonna get 18 months free trial, but there you have to sign up with your student email. Okay, so this is where we're gonna paste our basic script. So here we're gonna use ChatGPT. I have 4+1, but you can use whichever you have just to get the script. So we're gonna generate the exact same one I just showed you. So what you have to write here, because I have already written, so you can either copy and paste, or you can write something like that. Can you write me that's the script for the one I just created. I'm just gonna show you exactly in VEO3, or you can say Google VEO3, right? And you have to hit enter. So there you go. It's writing you everything. So it gave us like that. So we have to ask like properly a bit now. I just forgot to mention about the prompts there. So there you go. That's the one. We got it. Copy that. And then we have to go into here. And then here, click on that. Make sure it's set to this one. And then paste here. Also from here, settings, and make sure it's not VEO2, it's VEO3, fast one. So when you select this, it depends how much you're gonna select. I am mainly go with 1. So then it's gonna use 20 credits. If you go with this one, which is a bit higher quality, gonna be 100 credit for one video. And because in this it only give you monthly 1,000 credit for free, so I don't want to waste for making the high quality one. So I'm going with this one, and I'm sure this one works for you, which I created this one, and I'm going to create one more and show you the result. So all you have to do, paste here, and then it's very fast. It doesn't take very long to generate. On a normal internet connection, it can easily generate that, and then you can play and listen and then see. So it looks like it's completed now. So I'm just gonna play this now and show you what it made.
Dating apps in 2025 are wild. I matched with a girl on a meditation app, said hi, and she replied, let go of attachment. I wasn't sure if we were flirting or healing trauma. Dating apps in 2025 are wild. I matched with a girl.
So as you see in this video, so realistic, so good. So I'm sure you like this video. So after you like it, you're happy, you can hear. So there are two options. You can create an animated original 720, and it can also give you 1080p to download. And when you do this, it's gonna do this, takes a few minutes, depends on your internet connection, and then it's gonna download right into your gallery. This is a game changer, and it's so easy. I'm sure you understand. In the same way, you can generate a movie or something like that. So after you write down this one, just do like that, just reply and tell. So can you write me a short action, this movie, using this? So when you write this, there you go, you have another one. So coming soon. Copy that, and then you have to paste it here. Yeah, that's simple. Let's see. So let's play this. So I hope you understood how to do that, and if there's still something you need to know, let me know, and I'm sure you're finding this really good. Thanks for watching.